Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. Well, the last video I made revving my engine like the RS5 V8 natural aspirated engine sound, I think I blew up the small coolant hose. And I already checked, it's it's not much, but now when I park my car, there's like a pile on the floor of the coolant. So of course, we're not gonna buy it because it's expensive. And we're gonna fix it. It's an easy fix, so let's do it. All right, let's see what's going on. Let me open the hood. Yeah, as you can guys see, there's a leaking coolant on the floor. It's not a big deal, and there is like coolant all over the engine. So this is this small hose going all the way at the back, and I didn't record it, but as you can see that metal clip, the last time the hose blew up right there, so I just cut it short, put the clip back and the hose in, and that was it. So now I think it exploded right here because this is plastic. I don't know why they made this with the plastic. It would be a lot better if there's a rubber, because now all we gotta do, we gotta cut it short right here. I'm gonna get a lighter or something so I can heat it up and get it soft, and then we can slide it back in. Unless you wanna buy a brand new hose, and I'll show you guys how much is it. Alright, so I'm gonna get it, I'm gonna cut it right here. A lighter. Again, it broke on the bottom. I mean, why did they make this with the plastic? Why it's not rubber? Let me try again. Well, from easy fix. Why did I have to say that? Easy fix. Now I'm at the store. It didn't work out. It's keep cracking, so I'm gonna look for like a small connection rubber hose and see if we can fix it like that. Alright, I think I found the perfect piece. We can slide it in right there on both sides. $7.99. I think this is a perfect. Alright guys, I got the hose. It was like $8, and I have the hose clamps. So that's gonna slide right in. We're gonna cut again the small piece right here where it cracked again, and we're just gonna slide it in like that under the angle. Put the clamps on, and it's gonna look really good. Alright, so that's it guys. It worked, and let me tell you something, it looks better than original. It's perfect. Look at that. Man, I'm proud of myself. Sometimes. Yep, I'm missing some, so we're gonna fill it up to the minimum. When you're not gonna go to max, I think you're supposed to go to minimum. So let's fill it up. And also, yeah, when you buy the coolant, ask for European vehicles that supports Audi and Volkswagen, and it's pink color, so make sure. Yep, I think yeah. Alright guys, it's getting dark and we're done. So we saved some money. Instead of buying the whole piece, I spent only like what, 12 bucks, and it looks even better than from the, you know, Audi factory. Anyway, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want. If you don't, you don't. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.